everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be talking breakfast for the festive season, and we're making something a little bit special, and that's the banana spice muffin. This is my recipe. Everyone in the house likes it. This muffin is healthy in every way because it's made with millet flour, part millet flour and part whole wheat flour, but you could actually use whole wheat flour and it will still come out very nice. Come with me as we make this. I know you will like this. Please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe by hitting on the red button for more recipes like this. Thank you. So for our banana spice muffins, we'll be needing some whole wheat flour already sieved, some millet flour. If you can't find millet flour, you could make do with whole wheat as a whole, but if you can find millet flour, it gives it a good taste and a good texture. Some honey, some coconut oil, some apple cider vinegar, coconut milk, some eggs, baking soda, and some overripe bananas. Then for the spices, we'll need some ginger, cinnamon, either allspice or 7 spice, some salt, and some nutmeg. So the first thing we will do will be to peel our bananas. So I have my bananas all peeled, and now I'll be smashing with a potato masher. A very easy process. You could actually use a fork for this as well, but this goes pretty quickly for me. So we have our bananas completely mashed now. Next thing that will be going in will be your coconut milk. Then the honey goes in. Then you stir. And then we have our ginger, the cinnamon, the 7 spice or allspice, some salt, and the nutmeg. They all go in. The coconut oil goes in. I'll be using a whisk right now to bring it all together. So the good thing about this recipe is that you don't really need an electric mixer to make this. It's a very simple muffin. Then just when you're sure it's fully combined, you'll be adding on your apple cider vinegar. So the apple cider vinegar goes in as well. Just a tablespoon is all we need. Then our eggs go in at this stage, one at a time. I'm going to just lightly beat this before I add it onto the mixture. Goes the second one. You whisk again to combine. So in a different bowl, I'll be combining the 2 flours with the baking soda. So the whole wheat flour goes in, and the millet flour goes in, then the baking soda goes in. So I'm going to use the same whisk I've been using to combine. Banana and egg mixture comes back, and I will gradually add in our flours. Then the last set of flour goes in, making sure you combine very well. To have it all combined, and I'm going to be shaking out my whisk now. So we have our muffin pan already prepared. I use baking paper here because I ran out of muffin paper. So I'll be scooping in onto the muffin pan. Important to get an equal amount or a fairly equal amount for each muffin container. So we have our mixture in the pan, and I'm going to be placing this in the oven at 175 degrees, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time it's cooked. So I just got my muffins out of the oven. I'm going to be cutting into one now so that you can see what it looks like. You can see how moist it looks within, and that's because of the banana. It's also a bit crumbly because of the millet flour. I really do hope you give this a try, because this will make a very good breakfast option for the Christmas. Believe me, this is a must try. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by clicking on the red button. Thank you.